Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning CSS Flex and how to use it. Watch this video till the end. Please support this channel. Before starting this video, I would request you all to please go through my latest book, The Idealism of Lord Ram. This book teaches us about the life journey of Lord Ram. The link of this book is in the description box. Do read this book, you'll surely love it. Now let's start with the tutorial. Flexbox is a layout method for arranging items in rows or columns, and it allows us to design responsive and flexible layouts efficiently. Flexbox helps in aligning and distributing space among elements inside a container. Components of a Flexbox are Flex container, the container element. Flex items, the items inside the container. The Flex container becomes flexible by setting Display, Flex. Some of the properties associated with Flex container are Flex direction. This property specifies the display direction of the Flex items. Its values can be row reverse, column reverse. Flex wrap. This property specifies whether the Flex item should wrap or not. Its values can be now wrap reverse. Justify content. This property is used to align the Flex items when space is empty inside the container. Its values can be center, Flex start, Flex end, space around, space between, space evenly. 4. Align items. This property is used to align items vertically. Its values can be center, Flex start, Flex end, stretch, baseline, normal. 5. Align container. It is similar to align items. This is used when we want to adjust spacing between rows in a multi-line Flex container. Its values can be center, stretch, Flex start, Flex end, space around, space between, space evenly. Let's practice some properties. Look at the code. We taken a div container and added 4 span tags within it. After that we have given basic styling to both div and span tag. On giving display flex, the div container changes to Flex container and the span tags changes to Flex items. To add some Flex container property like justify container, Flex items, etc., we will add those property in the div container. Coming to the properties of Flex items. Order. This property specifies the order of the Flex items inside the Flex container. Flex grow. This property specifies how much a Flex item will grow compared to the other Flex items. Flex shrink. This property specifies how much a Flex item will shrink compared to the other Flex items. Flex basis. This property specifies the initial length of a Flex item. Flex. This property is the shorthand property for all the above Flex items property. To implement these properties, we have to add these properties to the Flex items, which are span tags. You can see we have changed the order of Flex item 1 to the 4th position. Similarly, we can add order to all other Flex items. Please do not forget to practice these properties once. As to master web development, most important thing is practice. Also, do subscribe to this channel as we are going to do various projects in upcoming videos, which will help you improve your web development skills. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.